Academic Search Premier is a database we offer through the Walters State Library to help students find reputable and scholarly information about many different topics and in many different disciplines. To access this database, go to the library's website at library.ws.edu and click on Academic Databases on campus on the left-hand side of the page. Choose Academic Search Premier. This will bring up a search page. To search by topic or keyword, type your search terms into the box in the top left-hand corner of the page. Let's try a broad search on nuclear energy. Because our search was so broad, the database returned a rather large number of results. We can use the tools on the left-hand side of the page to limit those results and shrink that number to a more manageable size. In this case, let's limit it by choosing scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. The database will automatically update our search to reflect our limiting choices. This database in particular saves our search history, so if we ever want to go back to the first search, which had a large number of returned articles, we can do that. Let's further limit our search terms by publication date. Because we want to discuss current developments in and opinions about nuclear energy, let's limit our search to the last 5 years of publication. We've limited our search by publication date and type, but we've still got a lot of results. This is where we can start limiting again by keyword. I'm going to try to find articles that talk about both nuclear energy and ethics. I can use the multiple search boxes to accomplish that. I should make sure the box next to ethics says "and." Otherwise, I might get articles that mention either nuclear energy or ethics, and that would seriously change my results. Great, we have a lot fewer articles this time. I can start to look through the articles and see if any of them are relevant to my paper. I already know that they are recent, published within the last 5 years, and reputable because I chose only scholarly peer-reviewed journals as my search criteria. Let's look at the first article. Academic Search Premier displays many articles like this as a PDF. For this reason, there are a host of tools open to me if I do decide I want to use this article. The first paragraph in the article is an abstract. This is a short summary of the paper, its findings, and the implications of those findings on the topic as a whole. It can be a great way to quickly decide if the article is relevant to my research. I've decided I want to use the article in my paper. I can use the tools on the right-hand side of my screen to do a number of things. I can print or email the document to myself. At the library, we suggest that you keep copies of all the articles you think you might use in your research so that you can reference them later. Another thing I can do is save the document to my computer or a flash drive. To do this, I can click on the Save button in the PDF viewer. This will allow me to download the article and save it. The final tool that Academic Search Premier offers is very important. It's the citation tool, and it can help you save a record of all the sources you've looked at, as well as help you format your citations for your works cited or reference page. Choose the Cite tool on the right-hand toolbar. A window will open, and you will be able to choose the citation style your instructor wants you to use. Remember that MLA is further down in the list, so scroll down to it. I can now copy and paste this citation into a Word document by right-clicking on the highlighted citation. Remember to always check that the citation is correct. There is no guarantee that the data is completely accurate, and a quick check from you can save you and your instructor a headache later. Alright, now you can use Academic Search Premier, a great source for finding reputable and scholarly information about a range of topics. If you need further help, contact the research coaches or email us at library@ws.edu.